Okay guys, today it's a beautiful day outside. Bit cold, so I wouldn't have gone out, and I think probably is, the roads are certainly dry. But as you can see, bit of a front end missing on this. So the forks have returned, as you all know. So let's put it back together. Got some other few little Brembo bits to stick on. So see how I go. Must admit, the colour on this bike is really something, right? It really resonates. Which I don't see the modern... I went to the bike show yesterday, and the modern stuff just... I don't know, it don't glow like that. Okay, I'm taking the fairing off to get the forks in properly. And just checking that orange one goes to the black wire on the indicator. And the black wire goes to the black and white. So I've got the front end on, looking beautiful. As you see, I've had to take this lot off because I'm sure it's so light now. That's beautiful. But as you guys will probably know, it's such a tight mesh in here. I'm gonna have to tidy up my wiring and see. It did pass the MOT, but it is so tight. You know, it's touching something there, so I'm going to have to just have a play around with that. But we got the wheel on. I'm going to stick with me Tokikos or whatever they're called for now. But I was looking at the bike show yesterday at some Hell Performance. But the guy wanted, it was discounted at the show to 565, I think. And... get that from Bike HPS as a standard buy, so I didn't see that there's much of a price saving there. And I'm going to get some new discs from EBC shortly, but obviously keen to get the thing started because it hasn't been started for a few months. So I wanted to get the wheel on, so I can kick it over. Obviously a bit safer. I didn't want to kick it on the stand just in case it falls off or something. But that's on. I've got a new Brembo master cylinder to go on in the box, new clutch lever, and I might even get some new clip-ons because again this is all so tight here. I think if I got some that were higher, that lifted up 25mm or whatever, it would lift everything out of the way. Okay, just looking at my angle there, 71.5, let's call it 72. 72. And then I'll measure my rake and my trail later. So 72 doesn't sound so bad. So what's that? That's gonna be, what's that? 22 degrees. A 22 degree rake angle, I think you call it. So I think that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just looking at the obviously needs a clean, but these top. So the forks, beautiful. I got to read the manual that they sent with it because they tell me how they've set that up. Normally sort of middle ranging really, but that is beautiful. RG570, stays 3-tuned, Nova gearbox and clutch, silky smooth. I can't wait to get out on that thing now. I'll go and get it MOT'd. And then off we go. But let's kick it over, see if it goes. Hasn't been started, I think, for 4 months. So it was always pretty good at starting though, even with, like I say, a flat battery. So let's give it a go, see how we get on. Okay, so 4 months has totally killed my battery. So I will still try starting it. I'm not sure if that's a good idea, but I used to start it with a dead battery in the 90s, so I'll still give it a go. Okay, it's not going to go. Dead as a doornail. Didn't try too hard, but I'm not going to force the issue. So I'll have to go and get a battery charger. Never easy. Okay, the disappointment is over. And the fact that I forgot, I got a little dodgy wire down here. Yes, Mark Dent, you did tell me to get it sorted. I'll have a look at it shortly. But we have got power, so the battery is good, so that's cool. So let's give it another go.